Tell about wildlife, yeah. Drop a like and please bust a subscribe. Wildlife, video so nice, so me share with my friend twice. Watch I know wildlife, and the hottest YouTube channel with the right vibes. Wildlife, please drop a like.
What's up, guys? What's up? Welcome back to the channel. You don't know. And today it is raining pigs outside. You don't know. So anyway, today me and my kids, we're gonna take a little tour around our little community and show you what's going on. You know, for those who are not familiar with snow, don't know, we come from Jamaica and we're not really familiar with it, so we're gonna get into it for you guys and hope we can share a little experience with you guys. Yeah, man. See there? Chino can go on. It's actually a snowstorm out, and we're just gonna go out there and see if we could share some experience with some of you guys. Oh Jesus, let me get out. All right, stay tuned. You don't know. All right, we're gonna shovel up our driveway for a minute. Woo. All right. All right then. Can't reach them to chin. Keep her move on, walk on. Alright guys, I'll be outside right on my driveway, on our driveway, and machine there is shoveling the snow, and it's a pretty wild snowstorm out here, and looks like the UPS truck just got stuck there. I don't know how he's gonna get out, but it's pretty bad out here right now. So as I say, go take on the road. Look, he's stuck. He's definitely stuck. Alright, gonna see if I can help him quick. Come on, man, you got this. You got it. You got deliveries you gotta make. Oh, it's going backwards. So guys, I tell you that you can see I'm not prepared. Alright, you got this, Alright. So guys, a wild one out. I'm gonna go get ready to go on the road. I'm gonna put on my Timberlands and finish shoveling my driveway, and then we'll head out. Oh man, woo wee! All right, that is snow for you. Snow kind of slow down a bit, kind of stop a bit, but we're still gonna see if we could show you guys a little bit what's going on the road, and then we head back home because it's not good driving condition out here. So we're just gonna show you a bit more and head home. As you can see, the snow plow is active out there, and we're just cruising down, you know. So stick with us. That's the airport over there, and you can see the snowplows constantly working to clear that runway. See if I can zoom in a bit. All the way over there, you can see that. Constantly working. So we're heading back to our neighborhood. There's not a lot going on in our vicinity. I didn't go out of my way to go on the highway R because it's not good driving condition out there, so I will not take the chance. But just to give you guys an idea what it's like when it's snow here in Calgary, and it could be worse. It could be worse. It can be worse. This is just a little you know, this is a smoke. You don't see the fire yet. Yeah, so we're heading back home, and that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this short little video that I made for you guys, and till next time, you don't know. Alright, because this video was short, me and Miss Chin decided to do something for you guys and also for herself, because neither of us ever build a what do you call it, a snow angel before, so we're gonna try. Who's going first? You want to go first, Chin? Okay, I'm gonna go first. All right, so stay tuned. Yes. Oh man, I'm getting old. What does it look like? What does it look like? Go, 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 go. Does it look like an angel? Yes. Chin, your turn. Alright guys, that's my angel right there. I don't know if you can see it. Alright, Chin, go. Put your hood up. Put on your hoodie. Alright. No, go. Put your head down. There you go, baby. Nice, get up now. Give me an hand. She's cold. Alright guys, it's getting windy out here. I don't know if you can see your angel because it's so white, but it's there. And that's me over here. Big one right there. Daddy angel. Daughter angel. Alright, let's get out of here. This is pretty cool. Woo! Alright guys, that's our angel right there. Both of them. Daddy's angel right there. Miss Chin angel right there. It's pretty cold out here. Windy. First time making a snow angel. Or first time making one too. It's beautiful. And we're gonna head home because see that. Alright guys, thanks for watching again. Bless up. Yes, man. Remember to like, subscribe, share, don't it?